Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, I'm starting the vlog here sa Green Sun. It's the L'Oreal event, so they're launching the micellar water. So, that's gonna be bagong product siya actually. And super ganda ng event. Ng venue. Look at that. And everyone is like required to wear blue or pink. Earlier, I was wearing my blue, what do you call this, romper, yung long sleeves na mukhang cartoons. Pero yun, nagpalit na lang ako. So I'm wearing just a black romper and then my pink sweater from Korea. So let's go around the booth. Actually, eating time pa lang kasi actually nag-start siya ng 12. Hindi pa nag-start ng 12. Super traffic. So, ang daming tao na traffic. So, yeah, let's go around the booth. Hi girl! Hi Joyce! May cotton candy station pa dito. Cute! And then dito, meron tayong food. Yummy. Ooh, truffle mushroom. Oh my gosh, favorite ko yan, girl. Bizu ba to?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, girl.
It's the best.
Fave ko yan, truffle mushroom. Bizu. What's that? Smoked salmon. A couple more prosciutto. Yummy. Roast porchetta with thyme and garlic. Yum. So I got my food. Tapos dito may parang dessert table. Look at that, guys. Laki ng macarons. Ang cute! Wow. We're gonna do skin test now. I'm sorry, maingay yung music. Pero it's basically like the device. Okay lang kung device. Tapos, you've seen that before. Sa isang event nila before, actually meron yan. Oh, 23, kala mo? Oh my gosh, ang bait naman ni ate.
We'll start first. Okay lang ma'am kung I will like brush your hands.
Okay, sige. Hands down.
After hands, ma'am, is your face. So we will start ma'am the moisture level.
Hindi ako nag-lotion. Okay lang yun.
Normal.
Yay! Normal. Tapos?
So after ma'am yung first.
Nakita ka sa girl natin, diba? Ikaw ba yung nag-ano sa akin before? Oh my gosh, hi.
Saan kiling mo nalala ko ko lang?
Of course! So, ito na yung ginawa ko. Raspberry sauce, mango, strawberry, cream. Tadan!
Remind the players that it's truly your high performance and hypoallergenic cleanser. And we hope that you enjoy our lineup of activities.
So, just to orient you, we have two products here, given pride of L'Oreal Paris. So L'Oreal Paris takes pride in its art and science. So, important to understand that we've been serving the general public, and we really want to give this out to every Filipino of all skin types. So what do we have here? We have the pink bottle. Well worth it. So comparing it to micellar water per se, you know, the Holy Grail micellar water and the premium micellar water is usually priced around 500 to 2,000. And
so yun na yung launch ng micellar water. I'm gonna do a video for you guys and papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-bilis niya magtanggal ng makeup. Super bongga talaga. So I'm just taking a few more photos of the products and myself, and all of that. Okay, enjoy! Hi! Hindi ako naka-curl lang hair kasi nga late lang kanina at hindi kami mamangga sa truck sa Uber. So anyway, ito parang may makeover station. Ayan. Mom, hi! Hi, Sha!
Diba?
Thank you so much! I met Nika! Sabi niya, since super matagal na siya nag-video. Oh my God, thank you so much. Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, I have an Instagram and I have a blog, Nika Higashona, nikahigashona.com.
Wow,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Done with the first event, guys. Now I'm here at Suavis in Bonifacio stopover, 3rd floor. And we're gonna get a treatment done today. So ito yung mga nakikita nyo sa Instagram. If you've seen yung mga posts nila Chevy, yung red light something therapy. So we're gonna learn more about that in a bit. Ito pala yun.
Yes,
yung pinasukan nila Chevy.
Let me carry you around. This is the lab room. This
Alright,
is where
lab
we
room.
usually do the whitening solution treatment.
Mm-hmm.
The whitening solution treatment follows a 4-step procedure.
Alright.
The first one is the skin exfoliation, wherein the therapist will be doing a face and body scrub on the client.
Okay.
And it's done here inside the shower room.
Okay. Wow!
The step 1 is very important kasi
Girl, I love this. You know why? Kasi di ba yung iba parang lilipat ka pa sa isang room.
I know.
Ito, dito na siya. Ay, ang galing!
it's very comfortable and relaxing.
Wow! Okay.
After the step 1, we will now go to the preconditioning ointment application.
Okay.
It has the whitening effect
Okay.
in the treatment. So it's usually done, or it's either here or dito,
Okay.
depende sa kung saan comfortable si client.
Okay.
And they prefer, it's up to them kung gusto na sila yung mag-apply or if the therapist could help them.
Okay.
Kasi it will be applied from face up to
Lahat
the
talaga.
body. Yes. We will now proceed to the step 3, which is the R630 collagen machine
Ito yun.
session. Yes.
Oh, ito yun. Oh my
So
goodness.
this technology was discovered by NASA. It's called the red light therapy.
Really?
It was acquired and used by the Koreans for, of
Dang.
course, collagen.
Wow, ang daming bulbs.
Yes.
Wow.
This machine, by the way, was created by Cosmetico Germany, but it's
Germany.
under Suavis Korea. It just naturally boosts your melanin.
Doesn't burn the
Collagen,
skin?
sorry.
Doesn't burn the
No, it
skin?
doesn't burn the skin. It's 0%. It has 0% radiation.
How about heat? Makaka-feel ba ng heat?
Yes, makaka-feel siya ng heat. It's important. The heat is important kasi kailangan mag-open yung pores. When you go outside, of course, it needed yung treatment effect na kailangan siyang ma-lock. That's
Okay.
why there will be the last step, which is the application of the post-conditioning cream. It has SPF 20 to protect your skin from the sun rays. Tapos it also protects your skin from external factors.
Nice.
Para mag-lock in talaga yung nutrients
Ang
from the skin.
galing! Yun yung last step. We are starting with the treatment now, guys. So, before anything else, I have to remove my makeup. I have to remove my contact lenses. So, tatanggalin natin lahat to, girl. Buti na lang. Tapos na ako magpalit, guys. So, they're gonna provide you with a shower cap, disposable underwear, slippers, bathrobes, and now we're gonna remove our makeup. Ate Lucy, di ba?
Yes.
Hello! Ayan, siya yung mag-assist sa akin today. Okay, let's move over here. Tanggalin natin yung mata natin, tsaka makeup. Tapos na yung treatment, guys. I'm really sorry. I wasn't able to vlog at all. Pero, ang nangyari kasi is skin rub ako sa loob. Yun yung pinakamatagal na process. And then, rinsing. And then, may nilagay silang product. Actually, ito yun. Nandito yun eh. And then, pumasok ako sa loob ng capsule. Anong na-experience ko? Ano lang siya, red light all over. Meron ka namang pantakip sa mata. So, you won't hurt your eyes naman. It feels hot, but it's not overly hot na parang hindi mo na kaya. So, I did like 15 minutes of that. You can cut it down to 10 minutes if ever. Depende yan kasi kung sa, depende sa needs ng skin mo. So, if ever you need more, basta, as in, i-assess ka nila bago kayo mag-agree kung ilang minutes dapat kayo nasa loob ng capsule. So, I did 15 minutes. I came out looking like this. Actually, may natural flush sa cheeks ko right now. Paglabas pala, naglagay sila ng parang finishing cream. So, actually, this one, we put this one. Ang dami nilang parang mga maliliit na capsule dito. Yan, this one. So, they put that all over my body. And now, I'm ready to go. Just gonna put on a little bit of makeup kasi I have dinner. Yan. Allowed naman daw na mag-makeup after. So, I love it. So, we're done, guys. So, again, this is Beauty Lab Whitening by Suavis here at Bonifacio stopover, 3rd floor. I had such a wonderful time here. As in, na-relax talaga ako. Ito lang yung makeup ko pa uwi. Nakalimutan yung mascara ko, pero okay lang yan. I think I'm gonna grab lunch or dinner on the way home. So, I'll see you guys later. Finally, back home, guys. I have to go edit some more videos for you, and then I'm gonna have dinner. So, sobrang pagod. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!